What's good? What's good? Welcome to the media. It's your man, Mr. Press Record, back in the building with another one. If it's your first time at the channel, do a brother solid. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you're notified when I drop the next video. You know what I'm saying? Real quick, I know you see the Celtics attire, but my town frowns because of Jaylen Brown. I'm going to say that again. My town frowns for Jaylen Brown, man. You know what I'm saying? From the city of Boston right here, fresh. And, yo, just real quick, man, shout out to Jaylen, man. We loved you over here. Phenomenal. You know, contributed a lot to the city, to the team, to the organization, man. So definitely wish you well in your ventures. And I am getting that Jaylen Brown Sixers jersey, too. Anyway. So let's get back to the topic. You know what I'm saying? Because I can get lost on that. But real quick. So what I want to talk to you about is that piece of gear or necessity that you have in your arsenal that we snooze on called the hard drive. All right? And the reason I say y'all probably looking like, oh, the hard drive, what are you talking about the hard drive? Let me tell you about the hard drive. If you've been making beats for at least 5, 10 years or more, I promise you, you got a whole lot of money. You got a whole lot of money sitting on your hard drive. You know what I mean? And I get it. We probably say to ourselves, oh, those beats is old. I made those beats years ago. But you got to understand, what's old to you is new to them. So even if you made that beat 10, 15 years ago and somebody hears it today and they like it, then it's new to them. I need you to understand that. So those beats that you have on your hard drive that you're like, they old, revisit them. Go back to them. Listen to them. Some of them might sound a little outdated because of, you was making beats different back then. We was mixing different. So, and when you go through those beats, you find a beat that you feel good about, that you feel like, I can still run with this. If you need to clean it up, clean it up. And if you got the files, even better. Touch it up, remix it, remake it. I highly encourage you to take those beats and put them out. All right, go through them. That's what I've been doing. I'm just going through old beats. Some of them, I wasn't crazy about it, whatever. But again, that's just me. And we're guilty of being biased of our own work. We're our own worst critic. How many times have you made a beat that you didn't like or you wasn't crazy about, but then somebody heard it, like, yo, this beat is crazy. And you're looking at him like, yeah, that's my least favorite beat out of my package. You understand where I'm going with this, right? So, with that being said, man, go through your hard drive. Go through them old beats. Create it, and if you want to put them online, create a band camp. Create a band camp. Even stream them, man. I get it. You don't get a lot of money. You get 0.3 on streaming, but 0.3 is better than nothing while it's sitting on your hard drive. You understand what I'm saying? So get them beats off them hard drives, man. Get them off the hard drive, package them up, put them out, like put them as instrumental albums, put them out like, one a month, 10 beats once a month. Go through your beats, your old ones, whatever. All right, boom, boom. Create a cover art. Put it out, man. Put it out. Just put it out. Whether you like it or not. Even if you got beats that you feel like they're unfinished, put it out anyway. Find a way to get them out. That's all I'm saying. I'm trying to figure out how more to explain this to you, but put them beats out, man. Put them out. Like, okay, for example, I just dropped a beat tape last month, and it's called Enemy of the Crate. And a lot of those beats are, some of them new, but they're old too. But only I know what's old and what's new. You as a listener, you don't know what I made yesterday. You don't know what I made 10 years ago. But they sound good. They didn't sound outdated. So I threw them on, I packaged them up, threw them on the mixtape. Boom, that's out now. I'll put the link in the description. It's on. I just put them on all platforms. I'm getting ready to drop a part 2 to that this month. Well, this week. You know what I mean? I got 10 more beats, some new, some old. You don't know which ones they are. Boom, I'm pointing those out too. Yeah, I'm cleaning out my hard drive. You know, like Eminem, I'm cleaning out my closet. I'm about to drop the remix that I'm cleaning out my hard drive. You know? Yeah, let's drop the cleaning out my hard drive. Just think of that. Every time you hear Eminem cleaning out the closet, change that when I'm cleaning out my hard drive. Mumble that to your head. You know what I'm saying? Get the inspiration, like, I'm about to put these out. You know what I mean? So that's my time. Just quick, just a quick conversation because it crossed my mind the other day when I was going through my hard drive and digging through the beats and all of that stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let me share some of this with the good peoples of Diamond Cave that you guys rock with me and all that. So I appreciate that. So again, make sure hard drive, and go through your old ones too, not just the current ones. If you got old hard drives too that you still got access to, old computers, whatever, iPads, whatever you made a beat on. Because if you're like me, I got beats on all kind of things. I got beats on old iPads and iPods. Y'all know the iPod. I got beats on an iPod. You know what I mean? So I'm going through those. I'm pulling them. All right. So that's my message for today. Just wanted y'all to know, get that money. Your hard drive is a little bank account just sitting there in your room or wherever it is. There's money on there. I'm going to say this again. Your hard drive has money on it. You can either get 0.003 cents on the stream or get nothing. But it's just sitting on your hard drive. You know what I'm saying? So that's my time. Diamond Cave Media. It's your man, Mr. Press Record. Like I said, do the brothers solid. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Easy.